Hey there. Let's talk about something that can make your school life way less stressful and honestly, a lot more fun. We're going to figure out how to turn time into your best friend. Ready to get started?
You know that feeling when your day is just a frantic race between homework, chores, and just trying to find a few minutes to relax or play? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a much better way to handle your day? So here's the big idea, the secret sauce, really. We're going to make time your teammate. And this isn't about cramming more stuff into your day, no way. It's about being smarter with your time so you actually have more of it for the things you love. It's kind of like a superpower, and you're about to learn how to use it.
So, what even is time management? Well, it's pretty simple. It's just using a few smart plans and habits to make sure the important stuff gets done when it needs to, all without that last minute panic. And the result? Less stress, better grades, and way more time for fun.
Okay, so now that we get what we're talking about, let's dive into some simple but really powerful tools that can totally transform your school week and help you feel way more calm and in control. And to keep things super simple, we're going to focus on just 3 secret weapons. I like to call them your super tools. They're the core of everything we're about to do, and trust me, they are incredibly easy to remember. And here they are, just 3 little actions: plan it, shrink it, and protect it. That's the whole shebang. Now, let's break down what each of these powerful tools really does.
All right, first up, plan it. This is such a game changer. It's all about making a decision before you even have to start. So instead of vaguely saying, I'll do my homework later, you decide exactly when, like right after my snack, and where, like at my desk. Just making that little choice makes starting 1,000 times easier. Our second super tool is Shrink It. This one is kind of magical. Instead of getting overwhelmed by a huge project, you just focus on a super tiny first step, something that takes just 2 to 10 minutes. What's so cool is that once you start, your brain creates this sort of mental bookmark that makes you want to go back and finish it later. A tiny start is all you need to get the ball rolling. And the final tool is Protect It. Once you've started that tiny task, you have to protect your focus. That means putting your phone away, closing other tabs on your computer, and setting a timer for just 10 or 15 minutes. See, giving your brain a short, clear time limit helps it focus like a laser beam because it knows there's an end in sight. Okay, we've got our tools. Now, let's put them into action and take on the biggest enemy of getting things done. That I just don't feel like it feeling. Yep, procrastination, we're coming for ya. First things first, you can't manage what you can't see, right? So we're going to create something called a daily routine map. It's a really simple but powerful way to get a clear picture of your entire day. Here's how you do it. Just draw a timeline from when you wake up to when you go to bed. First, block in the big things, school, meals, sleep. Then, find a spot for 2 tiny 10-minute study sessions. Pro tip, stick them right after something you already do every day, like your afternoon snack. And using different colors helps you see at a glance how your day is balanced between school, play, and rest. But hey, even with the best map in the world, sometimes you still feel stuck. That is where your anti-procrastination toolkit comes in. It's packed with quick tricks to get you moving. For example, an if-then plan gets you ready for distractions. You could decide, if I get the urge to check my phone, then I'll stand up and do 5 jumping jacks. Or try the 2-minute start. Just work on something for 2 minutes. A lot of the time, that's all it takes to break through and keep going. All right, now for something really fun. We're going to turn focused work into a game called Beat the Clock. This is the perfect way to practice using that protected super tool and really feel what it's like to get something done in a short, focused burst. Here's how you play. It's super simple. First, pick an easy task, something like tidying up your desk. Next, set a timer for just 10 minutes. Then, go. Work without any distractions until that timer goes off. When it does, hands up. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to celebrate that you focused. Then, take just 1 minute to think. What helped you stay on track? Fantastic. You're mastering the daily tasks. Now, let's zoom out a little and apply these exact same skills to plan out your entire week. This is how you make these new habits stick and start winning your week before it even begins. To plan your week, you can use this simple tool called the Micro Planner. Each week, just write down your top 3 must-dos. Then, for each one, figure out the smallest possible first step, decide when and where you'll do it, think about who could help you if you get stuck, and pick a tiny reward for when you're done. Now, figuring out that smallest step for a big project, sometimes that's the hardest part. The good news is you can use a tool to help with that, an AI buddy. But, and this is super, super important, we have to use it safely and responsibly.
So here are the simple rules. Do ask your AI buddy to break a project into tiny steps or create a checklist for you. It's great for that. But never, ever share any private information like your name or your school. And of course, never use it to actually do the work for you. It's a planning tool, not a cheating tool.
So if you remember just one thing from all of this, let it be this. Start small, plan smart, and make time your teammate. When you do that, you'll be amazed to find you have all the time you need for school, for family, and for fun.
And that brings us to the end. I just want to leave you with one final question to think about. Looking at your day, your week, what's your first small 10-minute task going to be? What's that first win you're going to get? Go make it happen.